Kevin, are you counting?
No.
No.
I used to count steps when hiking in the woods, like pacing for navigation. I realized it got me really grumpy. I wouldn't be like looking around, I'd just be like counting incessantly. Yeah, I want to be grumpy. So
Okay, no counting.
I'm not counting.
Welcome. We're Kevin and Janine, a Canadian couple who have escaped the rat race and are continuing our dream of slow travel around the world. Subscribe and follow along this season as we cruise Southeast Asia aboard a Makassar 55 catamaran.
We made some friends. Invited us to raft up next to them because our mooring ball was gonna get taken. So we're in Labuan Bajo and we arrived yesterday. We said goodbye to Monica and Kai, and now our anchorage kind of feels like Pirate Bay.
Very, very piratey, very, very piratey.
We're gonna provision today, clean the boat today, and then tomorrow the rest of the family arrives.
Now, what I'm going to get you to do is do a pirouette. Let's do a 360 all the way around turn. Step back, no, the other way. Otherwise we'll go past it. It's turning. Where's the island?
I love that.
You see it?
Yes.
We're learning knots today. Okay, have fun. Go see all the things. Bye. Sneaking up on a heron. We're on this little island off of Padar, and it is fantastic. And we're gonna jump in the water. Here we go. Thank you so much.
Kami tak drink water dong.
freshwater. Good night.
That is unbelievable.
Got your bottle back. $850 stairs. Approaching the summit.
Between Komodo Island and Rinca. So a long time ago, when the local people Rinca and Komodo Island went to fishermen, you know, fishermen before now is ecotourism. So the fishermen, and when they get fish, they making dry on the beach here, beach behind her or here. Yeah.
This is capital of West Java.
So much current over there. See this pirate ship going through it.
Dragon!
It has gotten busy out here.
What was his name? Ricky?
There's something called a boar. No, oh, this one's they're sniffing and eating. They're eating something.
Oh, I think the heat just takes it out of me.
Look at all the wild boars. These majestic mantas are called reef mantas, or Mobula alfredi. They reside and feed in shallow waters, and here in Komodo National Park, prefer spending their time in certain sites more than others. Reef mantas congregate at cleaning stations on coral reefs, where small fish eat dead skin and parasites from their body. These reef mantas were mostly here for the spa treatment, although we did see some that were swimming with their mouth open, feeding on plankton. Reef mantas can grow up to 5 meters wide, although the average size is 3.5. Their lifespan is about 40 years, and they can weigh over 1,500 pounds. Reef mantas have a slow rate of reproduction and have a 12 to 13 month gestation period before giving birth to a 1.5 meter wide pup. Some of the mantas from Komodo are known to travel as far as Bali, roughly 450 kilometers away.
Big one, the big one.
I see them!
These gentle giants go about their daily affairs, indifferent to us curious humans bobbing around on the surface above them.
So amazing. I was chasing the big one and yelling at him.
I'm gonna dive again.
This encounter felt like a rare treat, leaving us in awe and appreciation for the experiences and lives we live.
I think that was it. They vacated the premises. That was fantastic. Giant oceanic mantas. Manta Point, Makassar Reef, and Komodo National Park.
Lightning over there. Back to just me and Kevin on the boat. We're gonna hang out in Komodo National Park for a little bit. I'm gonna do my advanced open water diver certification for the second time. Didn't finish it the first time. And then we head back towards Lombok. And there's some weather over there. Lots of energy. Lightning.